If you want to trim a video on your PC but don't know how to start, you're not alone. Maybe the beginning is too long, or there's something you just want to cut out. Whatever the reason, trimming a video doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, your Windows PC already has a simple tool built in. No extra downloads, no tech headaches. Here's how to trim any video quickly and easily. First, go to your video file. Right-click on it and choose Open With, then select Photos. Yes, the Photos app. It could do more than just show pictures. At the top, click on Edit and Create, and then choose Trim. You'll now see two white sliders on the timeline. Move the sliders to set where the video should start and end. This is the part that will stay. Want to preview it? Just hit play and check. Once it looks right, click Save As in the top right. Choose a name, pick where to save it, and you're done. Your trim video is ready, and the original file stays untouched. See? That wasn't hard at all. If this helped, give it a like, hit subscribe, and check out more quick tech tips right here. Thanks for watching.